I believe, and also telling people, firstly, we are social animal, or social animal. Even the animals, those social animals, they say no religion, no certain sort of constitution, but biologically, in order to survive each individual, by nature, they work together, live together. Like, I think, bees. So they have, I think, a very good sort of, I think, sense of community. We are social animal. But sometimes, I think our self-centered attitude, me, that comes with
That becomes more dominant.
So now, basically, we are social animal. Individuals, I should say, even life depend on the rest of the community. And then, unlike past world, in the past, American native people, more or less self-sufficient. No need, this is some sort of interaction with other continent. Like that. Now today, the situation is not like that. Heavily interdependent. Mainly economic. Heavily interdependent. Then I think the environmental issue also is telling us, we human beings, 7 billion human beings, they should work together. Commonly.
No, as one. No.
As one. Now, the environment or weather telling us. Now, under that circumstances, you see, I think the sense of community, and sense of the essence of a social animal. Now that's something now very, very relevant. So this, I think the potential of that biologically, I think there. But now the education, I feel key thing is education. So education, you see, should bring more awareness, that reality. Then you see this, I think, very good. Change your mind, change the world. World means, I think mainly human beings, combination. That's world. So change. Firstly, individual should start. Individual level, not changing, not make effort to change, and expect change world. It is because of that. I think serious ignorance, the law of causality. So things, sort of combination, humanity is combination of individual. So change must start from individual. I often used to think that way. When I think the problem, immense problem, which we are facing, then think you, just a tiny one individual. The problem, huge. But then think more seriously, or more realistically. Someone, individual, must make effort. One individual, this side, making effort. Other side also, one individual. One individual, their effort, then gradually affect 10 more people, 100 people, 1,000 people, 100,000 people, then millions. That's the way to change. So then again, I think key thing is awareness. So many of our sort of way of thinking, way of life is unrealistic. Our perception and reality, there's huge gap. So suppose education is bring to closer reality and our perception. But now existing education, just talking, thinking about external values. I think almost neglected about our inner value. And also I think in some extent, I think ignorance about our inner world. And out of that, you see, not pay attention. The inner world is just like that. No possibility to change. Or through awareness, through education. So now that's now begin, you see, sort of show, oh, there is possibility, change. Even because of the physiological way.
Even at the level of biology.
Oh, see, it really, you see, there makes clear. There is not only possibility, but if you make a certain effort, certain way of thinking change, it actually immense benefit to immediately your own health. Then one's own mind become more peaceful. Oh, peace, not out of sort of dullness.
No, not a dull kind of peace of mind.
Knowing fully all the possibility of dangers of things. Meantime, say, your intelligence combined with inner strength, self-confidence. Self-confidence very much based on honest, truthful. That related with compassionate heart. You always look at other. Usually we Tibetans saying, mother-centered being. Entire centered being considered as a mother. Nice. Whether they seriously practice or not, we have that kind of word. So, you know, look, other. As a human brothers and sisters, we have to live together. And my future depends on them. Their future also some way related with my future. So the happiness of humanity is our common goal, common interest. So, of course, we are selfish. Selfish is the key factor for survival. Without selfish, we can't survive. So selfish is good. But usually now, many years, I'm telling, we selfish should be wise selfish rather than foolish selfish. The problem, foolish selfish, oh, just me. And then, in order to gain me, how to exploit this person or that person, how to bully, like that. That's it, the foolish selfish. You see, your happiness, your successful life depend on rest of our brothers, sisters. So then take care and share sincerely. Then honest come, truthfulness. Then you can carry your life transparency. That brings trust. Trust brings friendship. We need friends. So quite simple. Not talking about next life. Our next life is private business. Well-being of 7 billion human beings is our common interest, our common responsibility. So I think mainly education, make awareness. In order to know this is something, we have to look at from various angles. From one dimension, you can't see the reality fully. You have to look from various angles. So without knowing the full picture of the reality, your effort becomes unrealistic. So awareness is a key factor. I think we may say a lot of problems which we are facing, many problems which are self-created created, these ultimately due to lack of awareness about reality. I feel like that.